Are you ready to unlock new perspectives on data analysis? Look no further than our comprehensive online course. In this course, you'll delve into the powerful world of SQL, Python, and Spark, three essential tools for data analysis in today's digital landscape. Discover how to query and manipulate databases with SQL, harness the flexibility and versatility of Python for data manipulation and visualization, and leverage the distributed computing capabilities of Spark for handling large-scale data processing tasks. Whether you're a beginner looking to build a solid foundation or an experienced data professional seeking to expand your skill set, our course offers something for everyone. So, are you ready to spark new perspectives on data analysis? Enroll now and embark on a journey towards mastering SQL, Python, and Spark.